Here are some ideas that might help keep rodents out of your vehicle where the heating and cooling system is, particularly in the filter. If you notice in the next photograph, it shows where a nest was created. Sometimes you'll notice, you'll know it when one is in there, trust me. It needed to be sealed off permanently. These are the tools I used. You may need some pliers to bend the metal wire. Basically, you will be needing to seal this, and what I used was through the roof. It's a really high quality roofing sealer. It does real well for that. The area you're going to need to get to is right here in the corner of the firewall. There's some clips which you'll need to take off, and there is a half panel which is divided in two sections, and you'll only need to take off the left section. Here I wrapped the intake with screen wire and used washers and screws to retain it. Here plastic was applied from an old container, and the adhesive was applied along with a second layer of caulk. In order to remove the cabin filter, the glove box will need to be removed. There are 3 connectors. One is a hanger and 2 are stops. This is one of the connectors, which is the stop. They're located on the left and the right sides, and you can push in if the plastic is not too brittle, and you may be able to remove the glove box on one side. This is the actual enclosure where the filter is, and you'll need to release the 2 tabs and then the top tab and drop it down and take out the filter. It's a good idea to run Lysol through there and clean it, and then you're all set. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you. Have a great day.